For Indian manufacturers, we found that the last mile data capture is typically very inefficient, and data storage systems tend to be very siloed, which means that the digital version of factories is usually not in sync with the actual status of work on the shop floor. This significantly reduces efficiency. It impacts real time visibility, decision making, manufacturing intelligence, as well as the potential for generating an ROI from any type of higher value solution that leverages artificial intelligence and machine learning to help all types of manufacturers begin their digitization journey. We've combined it with an inbuilt report builder, a companion mobile app for data logging, and the capability to connect to multiple sources of data in a factory. DataWiz enables users to log, access, and interact with factory data through highly customizable reports and dashboards that update in real time. We wanted to make it a really simple platform. It's plug and play. It helps increase productivity and visibility. And it does this through better worker engagement, collaboration, job satisfaction, while also unlocking the potential for AI ML driven manufacturing intelligence. First, when we were looking at interacting with industry leaders to validate our hypothesis and our solution during the POC stage of our development, like we had a lot of interaction with the industry because of Connects with NASSCOM. Two, we were looking at one of our customers had asked us to do a security audit, and we didn't know this was the first time we asked for this requirement as a startup. And so I called NASSCOM, and they immediately gave me a couple of vendors who could help us with such a requirement. On another level, it's also been very inspirational for us to see the work that NASSCOM is doing, because we do see the impact that it's having on such a core sector of the economy. And it's inspiring for us to continue building in this area, having being associated with NASSCOM and watching the work that the entire team has been doing and the impact they've been having.